back everyone to 25th Sunday, about 4:30. So you see we're all the way down here to the end of the beach at the power plant. This one maybe take a walk down here since I haven't been down here for a long time. So we're down at the end all the way to the other end of the power plant. So I found out that the reason I decided to walk this way because the wind, obviously. We have two sets of signs. These signs and the ones way down by the public area. So I just think sometimes that not just, I think they're just saying to enter at your own risk. I think it might be somewhat a little bit polluted. I don't know, maybe not. Although I had noticed a lot of the destruction down through along the beach, the tacos and beers, that one house that was always standing up there by itself. The most of that is fell down. Should have tried to fly the drone down here and way down here in the end. There's a lot of people off through the whole beach, all the way here to the pier. I don't know if you can see the pier from here, but we're walking all the way there. One regular nice walk. No, and Blue had to poop. Maybe. Nope. Okay, good. A little bit. Nope. That dog listens well on a bicycle. You see, he kept going straight, and then I get Blue to do that. Pull me on the skateboard or the bicycle. That would be ideal. He's really good at it. He's really good at it, isn't he? He can pull Daddy. Same thing, but we have to get some kind of something. That means, I think said buena. Like, good dog, good dog. Yeah, that other one's pretty mean. That brown one, he tried to eat us. I hope we're gonna avoid that one. Woo! He is dangerous. And I got Blue on the left side, so. Yeah, but tons of people out though. So I can't believe that house fell down. And it's gone. Just this side of the tacos and beers. There was a little thing for sale over there, but I don't see it up for sale anymore. And we never come down to this part of the beach, so we're gonna see how long it takes to walk from well, the signs, first set of signs to the pier. I think walking at around 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So I used to go to the public parking, get on the, get into the beach, then run all the way down here to the Pemex, all the way down to the other end past the pier, all the way down to the end. We'll have one lifeguard down here. I don't see the shack, but I see the truck right there. Lots of people in the water today. It's like 70, I think we got up to maybe 74 degrees, somewhere in there. Give or take a little bit. Really nice, so. Beautiful, gorgeous summer day. One of the, well, the first weekend since summer started on Tuesday, 5 days ago. 26 today, yeah, 5 days ago. So Yeah, first weekend since summer, so first summer weekend. A lot of things going on. The volleyball tournaments are going on down there. We got drone footage. Flew all the way from here down to the Pelican Rock and hung over the rock for a little bit. Kind of really beautiful. And amazing. You can barely see it out there right now, but yeah, so like the whole beach, all the way from the Pemex all the way down to the, I mean, there's still spots left in between here. You can see there's plenty of spots for more people. You want to head on down. There'll be plenty of room, especially tomorrow. There'll be a ton of people tomorrow. If the water stays blue-green like that, I might even go out in the water tomorrow, paddle around. We'll see. Gorgeous, beautiful 74 or 5. It was 80 in my car, but that don't count. It's all extra heated up in there, you know. I think the tide is going out. I don't know. Not sure, but he's making a hole right there, making a pool. Thought this guy was gonna get it. Okay. Ah, oh, it's the blue. Chihuahua. Hurry. Ah! He made it. Okay, so here's the house that fell off or fell down or whatever. The house has been there ever since I remember, and it's now fell down and fell off. I think that them pieces of concrete right there, remember I showed in the video a year or two ago, they were starting to get eaten away down there at the base, and it fell. Oh, I got something on my bottom of my foot. But yeah, it's sad, whoever the people were living there. So yeah, that building fell down, fell in, fell off, gone. I don't know if some, like that building right there, new construction, I don't know if it's something that fell in and now they're... But the cafe right there. Okay, then, if you guys remember, after the cafe right there in the blue house, right here where this little palapa like thing is, this whole thing, there was a whole bunch of like RVs and different little campers, I guess. Little like mobile houses, I guess, is most of what it is. And I think the property, I want to say it was for sale. And now I see everything's gone from there. And there's nothing left. The fence around there, the concrete, everything has fell in. This looks like beach access from where the cafe is. And I'll put the cafe in the description. Never been there, I'd like to try it. Seems pretty neat little place. Got a new cafe opening next to Chi-Chi's Boutique. We're gonna go visit that cafe. Said 15 days it'll be open. So yeah, they had a cute little beach property area right there, and now they're gone. All the little places are gone. The little mobile homes and different things. I don't know if this is people that it's people that own it are right there in the front. You can even see over here. They're already starting new construction and stuff, but the wall and thing has fell down and it's done. Here, I think there was something. I don't know. It's hard to remember. Maybe not. Right here, evidence that they're not cleaning their house, that they're playing volleyball. Evidence. Other boots. They pretend like they don't see me. Evidence. They know that I'm everywhere all the time, though. Now people gotta have days off, time at the beach. Evidence. Thank you guys all for the new subscribers. Thanks for all you guys that continue to watch the channel. We have a lot of fun and exciting things coming on for this year. Hopefully new construction, I'm hoping. We'll show you how easy it is to purchase property, build a house in 90 to 120 days. And you can be out of there and over here where it's nice, and people take their dogs to the beaches, people ride the horse on the beaches. Yeah, sometimes trash has been thrown away in the cans lately, making it a much cleaner beach. I don't see any cigarette butts. I don't see any trash at all. I don't see nothing. This is beautiful, clean, nice beach. And now we're getting over here to the tacos and beers. Can't remember exactly what was right there in that one spot right there. But tacos and beers had the fence all the way around. All the way around, there was the fence, and you had to not be able to go up there. Now you see it's gone. I think that one time when that one bad storm that we got, then when the water came in far, washed a bunch of this stuff away and ended up just putting a bunch of cement. I haven't been down here for quite a while. I see in front of the Quintas del Mar, it's all our fence and everything, all that stuff is all gone. We'll be to the Beachcomber later, hopefully, which is a restaurant right up in there inside where you can't go to the beach from here. You have to go up around. You come on the Quintas del Mar side, so you cannot just come to the beach and walk up there. Even though all the fence is gone and everything and all that's gone, I guess they're going to be putting maybe a new wall. That's what we hear. New wall, new barrier, breaker wall to stop the Quintas del Mar is putting in.
Oh, yeah.
To stop the water. But yeah, we'll go to the Beachcomber later and check it out. Yeah, we're at 20 minutes right now. We got another few minutes to get to the pier. Got a couple chihuahuas over there. So you can see where the old wall was right there, and all these rocks that they put out there to start building the new wall. Lots of big holes in the ground over here. Must be going to be burying some kind of pipe or something. Maybe they're going to build something right there. I would. Vacant place area, land, lot that smells right here though, a little bit. So yeah, kind of like the past the Quintas del Mar, the Beachcomber and stuff. Kind of like private, secluded, quiet little, poor Mr. Pelican. Quiet, secluded, private part of like beach, I guess you'd say. you okay? Tiny Mr. Pelican. Stop it. So it will be a little pause right here because of the people that stay at the hotel right here. They got the part roped off, so try to keep people back so people are going to be less likely to sit right there and enjoy the beach day when they don't really want you there. Come on. So be sure to check out the drone video. So you can imagine the amount of beach there is if we're walking from one end to the other. At a decent pace. I'm not fast walking, I'm not walking slow. Just regular walk your dog in the morning pace. And we're gonna see, I never walked it, I always ran it. Trying to get that job for the gym bird. Pays $10,000 if you walk 10,000 steps every day for 30 days. So I'm all hyped up to get that job as a chief step officer. I can do 10,000 steps every day for 30 days. Show you how easy it is. I already been doing it. Blue and I've been running for many days. 10,000 steps a day. Ain't really too much. I mean, it's something, but they got a little sign over there. You can't pass through there. So some of the access to the beach through some of these roads are getting cut off. You just have to know someone. Ask, where can you get to the beach? How can you make it to the beach? Public parking's always nice, but then the beach parking, I'm sure, is full today, so not going to be much chance of. And once we cross this little thing over here, you'll see we'll come to the next set of signs, which is the set of signs down by the public parking. Just notifying people that I think it's a little bit contaminated. Lightly. Could be lightly polluted. A little bit. Somewhat. Partially. So just take caution and use common sense. A lot of check and see if a lot of other people are going in the beach. See my lips on the side right there. I'm just trying to push my hand back so I can get another grip on the phone. We got a few minutes left, probably about 10. Getting down to get into some of the most busiest part of the beach. After the signs, the amount of people will pick up. Look at that nice little family of doggies. All being good and nice. Oh, they saw blue 42. That's nice little doggy. That's almost like the size of Jack. Stop. Look at this little doggy. Look at like a scarlet doggy. doggy was so cute, and Blue tried to scare it. It was like, looked like a girl. Blue cut up on my foot again, so it's bleeding. Starting to get infected, so I guess it's good that I ripped it back open again so we can put some hydrogen peroxide in there. Keep on scratching it with those knives. Where you going? Got a little bit of music playing right there for the lifeguards. It's kind of nice of that guy. Yeah, so this totally packed all the way to the water's edge. Thousands of people. Maybe we'll have sun all the time now, hopefully. Look at that cute little booger. Hey! Maete, maete. Look at that pretty little doggy. That's a pretty doggy right there. Like volleyball tournaments going on. I'm trying to walk over by there. See if we get a couple shots of volleyball on there, make our way back around. Just make it interesting for you guys. See if the bill can trip me in the sand. Fall fades first. It's nice they set up the little Takati tents right here so people could hang out on them there, get a little bit extra. Hey, don't we go pee right there? Is that a baño? So yeah, the trash is getting a little extra. So we're not going to be long, we're just going to go up and tip.
En esta foto no estaba y ya digo,
Court 7, corner, lane, leave it, walk. Court 7, corner.
Sorry, got sidetracked. Oh, they already got the place open. They're already partying up there. That didn't take long, about a few minutes. Oh, they're already partying up there. How beautiful. Gorgeous, beautiful, fantastic, unbelievable, nice sunny day in Rosarito. Good way to start the summer out. Waves are coming crashing in fast though. Look around, they're gonna eat everybody. Balloon guy, make sure you check him out. He makes lots of cool balloons, hot dogs and stuff. Love that guy, he's cool. Balloon guy. He's a movie star. This reminds me of like a real authentic Mexican man. Cowboy, of course. I think about the grill right down here. elotes and churros llenos. Now we're getting hungry. No! Oh, they're bringing in the ocean. By buckets and buckets in the ocean. A lot of people out on the pier, filling up all the way out there. This house is really well built. "45 minutes. Well, we took 1 minute, maybe watch volleyball. So, I really count that. Look at the princess right there. It's like Cinderella, I think. Don't get too many of them on video. Bonita señorita. Oh, I better watch out. My wife will kill me. Ah! Cool little teepee things. Yeah, Rosarito Beach is, to me, it's the nicest beach. Hey, you're gonna need none of that. And the beach just keeps on going on and on and on and on, all the way down to the rocks down there where we showed with some videos before. We showed you the rocks with all the little sea urchins. The horse riders will take long horse rides from the road up there. So if you go all the way out of town past Rosarito Beach Motel, and a little bit further on the right hand side, you'll see all the horses right there that you can rent and walk along the little trail and bring them down to the beach. Or you can just go down to the beach and just ride them on the beach, be on the beach and have them on the beach. Otherwise it'll go all the way down there, and so you can find as quiet of a place as you want, or right in the middle of the crowd right there where everybody's all at, where all the food and stuff is. They will walk some shrimp and little bit things down here once in a while, but for the most part all the little carts and everything are going to be down there in the main area by the Papas and Bombay and stuff. Thanks again, you guys, for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys, we got to get some views on this. I know it's 50 minutes, but it's an amazing beach day. I just wanted to walk this way because the wind's going to be blowing, and it's going to be hard to pick up my old raspy voice. Thank you guys so much again for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. As you can see, Rosarito Beach is one of the best beaches to come and visit, come and party, come and stay, come and live. To me, it's the best beach. Well, they got to clean up the water a little bit, but nevertheless, I think it'll be fine pretty soon. Thanks again, you guys. We'll get this loaded up, and yeah, the Izzy quit, so I've been using my AT&T phone from the other side. 5G uploads videos super fast, super quick, just a few minutes. 20-minute video is uploaded, so in a few minutes I'll upload the drone video and the other video later, and we'll be back down at the beach coming here in a little while to have a beautiful sunset dinner. Alright, thank you again, you guys. Thanks again for watching the videos and all the new subscribers, and thanks for watching around the world. Hopefully we'll see you in Rosarito Beach this weekend or next weekend.